Okay, so let us try to solve this one. What are the possible values of x in the rational equation? X over x plus 3 is equal to 5 over x plus 7. So tandaan natin guys, so sa rational equation, bawal magiging 0 ang ating denominator. Kasi kapag magiging 0 ang ating denominator, magiging undefined yung ating equation. So kung bawal magiging 0 itong denominator natin na x plus 3 and x plus 7, ano bang ang value ng x na kung saan magiging 0 ang ating denominator? So of course, magiging 0 ang ating denominator na x plus 3 if the value of our x is negative 3. Kasi we know, negative 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. So therefore, masasabi natin, ang x value na makuha natin must not equal to negative 3. So ganun din dito, yung x plus 7, bawal din magiging 0 ang x plus 7. So therefore, kailan ba magiging 0 ang x plus 7? Ano bang value ng x na magiging 0 yung x plus 7? So of course, magiging 0 yan if the value of our x is equal siya sa negative 7. Kasi negative 7 plus 7, we know that this is equal to 0. So therefore, sa restriction natin, ang x natin must not also equal siya sa negative 7. Okay? So, bawal ang value ng x natin, bawal tayong magkaroon ng negative 3 and negative 7. Kasi kung mangyari yan, magiging 0 yung ating denominator. At kung magiging 0 ang ating denominator, is magiging undefined yung ating equation. So ngayon, ano ba ang value ng x in the given rational equation? So to solve for the value of x in the given rational equation, so what we're going to do is i-cross multiply natin itong given natin. So magkakaroon tayo dito ng x multiplied by x plus 7, which is equal to, ito naman yung 5, multiply din natin yan sa isa't isa, 5 multiplied by x plus 3. Then, distribute natin yung ating x plus, x times x is x squared. Then, x times 7 is equal siya sa 7x, which is equal to 5 times x. So, this is 5x. Then, 5 times 3, this is equal to 15. So, arrange lang natin yung ating exponent in descending order. So, bring down natin yung ating x squared followed by 7x. Then ito, ang 5x, lipat natin sa kabila. From positive 5x, magiging negative 5x. Ganun din itong constant natin na 15. So, lipat natin sa kabila. From positive 15, magiging negative 15, which will be equal to 0. Then, simplify natin. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng x squared, then 7x minus 5x, so we know that this is equal siya sa 2x. Tapos, yung ating negative 15, which is equal to 0. So, as you observe, nagkaroon tayo ng quadratic equation dito. Quadratic kasi ang ating pinakamataas exponent is 2. So, we know, kapag ka-factor natin itong quadratic natin, so, ang sagot natin dito palagi is dalawang binomial. Okay, so magkakaroon tayo ng dalawang binomial. Ito yung sagot natin pag nag-factor tayo ng quadratic. So, therefore, let us factor this quadratic na x squared plus 2x minus 15. Para ma-factor natin yan, mag-isip tayo ng dalawang number na kapag ka-multiply natin, ang sagot is negative 15. So, negative 15. At kapag ka-i-add naman natin yung dalawang number na yon, ang sagot is yung positive 2. So, ano ba yung dalawang number na yon? So, we are pertaining yung negative 3 and positive 5. Kasi we know, negative 3 plus positive 5 is 15. Then, negative 3 plus 5 is equal siya sa positive 2. So, ibig sabihin, we are pertaining these two number na negative 3 and yung ating positive 5. So, lagyan natin ng x dyan, ng x dito. So, ito na ngayon yung ating factor. Okay? So, ngayon, solve for the value of x natin. So, ang ating x minus 3, solve for the value of x. So, of course, ang x natin is equal siya sa positive 3. Okay? So, ito naman, x plus 5, solve for the value of x. So, of course, ang x natin is equal siya sa negative 5. So, ibig sabihin, the possible values ng x natin are positive 3 and negative 5. At sa sagot natin na positive 3 and negative 5, wala tayong problem. Okay, kasi sabi natin, kahit anong value ng x, okay lang yan. Basta, wag lang magkakaroon ng negative 3 and negative 7. Kasi magiging undefined. Since ang sagot natin is positive 3 and negative 5, so therefore, these are the possible values of x in the equation natin. Okay, so pag i-substitute natin yan dito, yung positive 3 and negative 5, magiging equal sila sa bawat isa.